ONDS stock analysis and ONDS stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. Ondas Holdings, man, it's already decently up, you know, like a great 14% increase in price. If I zoom out a bit, you can see that I was like from the get-go looking for a double shift to X, so I can take it even further up. I mean, what I saw was not exactly that, but definitely seeing some pumps, and the swing idea is still going to be the same. You know how I'm going to look to take things up from here. It's very simple. So let's just get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's go 2-hour chart. It's my demand zone here. Bro, ideally, you know, if it's volatile enough, I would prefer for it, you know, to kind of pull down a bit and then giving me some sort of shift and a double break. But other than that, like randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So that's how ONDS is looking like. I do have a lot of previous receipts here as well. So if you do want to, in the Discord, and if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy.